Hello, amazing kindergarten kids. It's Miss Linden again, and we are going to do another math lesson. But before we get started, for this activity, you need a few pieces of paper and something to write with. So can you go find at least 2 pieces of paper and something to write with? You can pause the video right now to go get those items. All right, well, I hope you're back with paper and something to write with. You can put those to the side for now because first we're going to look at our big book. Now this is Tommy, and these are all the things that Tommy does on a Saturday, on this particular Saturday. Now when he first gets up, he brushes his teeth, he combs his hair, he has something for breakfast. Looks like maybe orange juice and toast. I love toast. That would be a delicious breakfast. Then he gets his soccer gear on, his shirt, his shoes. Then he plays a game of soccer. He takes a shower to get all that nasty sweat off from the soccer game, maybe the dirt on his knees from falling down a little bit. Then he has lunch. Looks like he's eating spaghetti for lunch. Do you like spaghetti? I love spaghetti. Then he reads a storybook, kind of a relaxing, calming time. Then he gets up enough energy to ride his bike to the park with his brother and his sister. Then, while his brother and his sister are playing with a kite, he gets a drink of water. But unfortunately, his bike, the wheel, has popped. So when they walk back home, he has to push his bike home instead of riding his bike home. And then finally, he goes to bed. He had a very busy Saturday. I don't know if you've ever had a Saturday like this, but this is a very busy Saturday. Well, we are going to look at today how long things take. What type of time would some of these different activities take? So for instance, what would take longer? Combing your hair or eating lunch? Which one do you think would take a longer amount of time? Well, if I'm combing my hair, might only take a couple of minutes to comb my hair, right? But then think about maybe having lunch at school. How long is the lunch period for school? Which one of these two takes more time, takes a longer amount of time? I would say eating lunch, right? Lunch takes longer than just quickly brushing through your hair. Now, it might be a little different for some of you girls with long hair like me. It might take a little bit longer to do our hair than maybe a boy with short hair, but it still doesn't take as long as if we're having lunch, right? Or how about, which one do you think is less time or was quicker? Riding your bike to the park or pushing your bike home from the park because your tire got popped? Which one do you think took less time, fewer minutes, or hours even? I don't know how far the park is, hopefully not hours, but which one do you think was quicker or was a shorter amount of time? Well, I would say riding your bike, right? Riding your bike is a lot faster than having to push it home. That takes a lot longer. So I would say this one is a shorter amount of time, right? All right, well, we're going to do a little activity now, and this is when you need that piece of paper. So I want you to get a piece of paper, and on one side of the paper, you're going to draw something that takes you a super short time amount to do, a short time, something that doesn't take you very long. And then on the other side of the paper, I want you to draw something that takes a really long time for you to do, okay? So I will give you an example. For me, something that takes a long time to do is for me to clean my bedroom. So on this side of the paper, I drew, let's see if you can see it, me trying to clean up my bedroom. That's me down at the bottom. I'm holding a book. I'm putting it away. There's my bedroom. So for me, cleaning my bedroom takes a long time. A long amount of time. So on one side of your paper, draw something that takes a long amount of time. And then on the other side of my paper, I did something that took a short amount of time. For me, it doesn't take very long for me to brush my teeth. So here's a picture of me brushing my teeth. It only takes a short amount of time, right? It takes about 2 minutes. Cleaning my room takes hours and hours and hours. It takes forever. So I want you to pause the video right now and on your paper, draw something that takes a short amount of time. And on the other side, draw something that takes a long amount of time. All right, pause the video now and you can do that. All right, well, I hope you drew your pictures a short amount of time and a long amount of time. It'd be really cool if you could have your mom or dad take a picture of that and send it to me. I would love to see the different things that you drew. I'm sure some of you maybe did things similar to maybe what I did, or, maybe brush your hair or playing a soccer game, or, there's all kinds of stuff, right? I would really love to see some pictures. So ask mom or dad to take a picture of them. Send them over to me because I'd love to see them. All right, now our next activity, now that we're back, is we need your other piece of paper. So hopefully you have another piece of paper there that doesn't have anything on it yet. And we're going to have a little competition. I'm going to be drawing a picture on here, and you're going to be drawing a picture on your piece of paper, and we're going to see who takes less time to do it, or who's faster at drawing, okay? But don't go yet. You gotta wait a second, because I need to tell you what to draw. Your mission is to draw a fruit. It can be any fruit you want. Don't start yet, though. You gotta wait for me, too. Any fruit you want. An apple, an orange, your favorite fruit, maybe the fruit you don't like, and mom and dad make you eat that fruit. Whatever fruit you want, okay? I'm going to be drawing a house on the board. So when I say go, we're going to start, and we're going to see who finishes first. Which picture do you think will take the shorter amount of time, or which one do you think will take a longer amount of time? Do you think it'll be faster for you to draw fruit or faster for me to draw a house? Let's make those predictions. And on your mark, get set, go. All right, so for my house, I'm going to draw it like this. It's a little bit hard for me to draw on these sometimes. I'm gonna have it, it's gonna be a funky house. It's gonna have that kind of a roof like this. Okay, let's see, I need a door, maybe like that. I need some windows. I think I'll draw a window like this, and some windows like this. Ooh, my windows are super messy. And a window like this. Let's see, I'm gonna write the house number on here. It's gonna be 2, 3, 6. And I'm gonna draw a big window over here. I have a big window in my house like that. And let's see, I'm gonna draw the roof. I've got some tiles on the roof, like that. Oh, we need shutters next to the house. I don't know, some of you guys might not have shutters next to your windows. I have shutters on my windows, so I'll put shutters on. Let's see. Oh, well, we need the little pathway. It goes to the road down here. And I'm going to draw a little mail. How's your fruit coming? Is it almost done? I'm almost done with my picture. I'm drawing a little mailbox. Let's see. Oh, we got trees and grass. Are you almost done with your fruit? Oh, I bet some of you are almost done with your fruit. Oh, and I need a tree at my house. And another tree over here maybe. And I need some birds in the sky. And because it's a really sunny day, I'm going to draw a sun. All right, this is my house. It's a little bit messy, but I kind of like it. Oh, I forgot the lines on the road. There we go. There's my house. What do you guys think? All right, so are you finished drawing your fruit, or are you still going? I don't know. I wonder. I bet you finished your fruit first. And I bet it took me longer to draw this house. But I don't know. Maybe you can have mom or dad comment on this video and tell me who won the race. Did I win the race? Is my house faster? Or did you win the race? Did your fruit come out faster? All right, well, that is the end of our math video lessons. This is the last one. It's the last day of school, and we're done. I gotta say, I'm so proud of you all for working so hard and learning remotely at your house and watching these videos and sending in your schoolwork. You guys are awesome, and I can't wait to see you all again in person, okay? Have a fabulous summer, and I love you all. Mwah. Bye.